V. V says V. I repeat, V says V. Let's pretend to use a vacuum cleaner to clean the class and say V. To make the sound of letter V, place your top front teeth against your lower lip, as with F. But then, without releasing air, vibrate your vocal cords and release your teeth from your lip.